Alright, what's up guys? In this video we're going to pick up some calculus here. It's going to be another integration practice video. This is going to be example number 57 of the integration practice series. So we're asked to evaluate the integral t over e to the t dt. So I would just apply integration by parts. Now we know that the integration by parts formula is the integral of u dv is equal to uv minus the integral of v du. So we need a u and a dv, so we need to determine what are the appropriate selections for those. So u here, I'm just going to pick to be t. Well, that means that dv would have to be 1 over e to the t, because I can't just write dv as e to the t. It would have to be 1 over e to the t and then multiplied by dt. And so now we just need to go through the whole process. So du is dt, and then v is the antiderivative of dv. So that's the antiderivative of 1 over e to the t dt. And the antiderivative of 1 over e to the t dt is negative 1 over e to the t. And so now when we go down here to our integration by parts formula, I'm going to go ahead and simplify, and I'm going to write this as negative t over e to the t. We would essentially have two negatives. We'd have a negative there, thus making it a positive. So this would just be plus the integral. And it looks like we're going to be integrating 1 over e to the t again, which we know is negative 1 over e to the t when we integrate again. So after we've done the integration for that, what we'll end up with is negative t over e to the t, but it's going to be minus 1 over e to the t plus c, and that would actually be your answer. So your final answer for this integral, and don't forget to add that constant of integration. It's very important that you have that there. Your final answer for the integral t over e to the t dt will just end up being negative t over e to the t minus 1 over e to the t, and then plus c. That's the answer. So let me know if you got any questions about how I got my solution. I'll be more than happy to talk about it and give you some feedback if you have any questions. So all right, I'll see you next time. Take care.